Hi, my name is Kristen. I'm a marketing director, and we gave Premiere Pro 5 stars. And for more reviews like this, please click below. Our team was using a simple program, much like iMovie, and what we needed was some more robust features, an ability to go across channels, especially with our videos, being able to export out in different capacities. So we definitely needed something that was more professional. Adobe Premiere provided us with some robust options for us to create some more professional videos than we had. We wanted some export out options that allowed us to format for multiple social channels from the same file. We were also looking for some ways to integrate more volume and audio options than we had before. Music that we needed, Adobe Premiere provided us some options to actually look at some music, especially for social that may not get flagged, that may not disappear. And so we were looking for that. And then also we wanted some more integration across Adobe Cloud with the other apps we were using. Getting started with Adobe Premiere was actually pretty easy for us. We had some background in video and animation, and we were very excited to see that there were many tutorials available to us, both through Adobe CC, but also through the program itself. So it was very easy for us to find everything we needed to. And to learn how to cut clips and integrate audio and control the audio and figure out the export options that were necessary for what we were looking for. If you're considering using Adobe Premiere, I would recommend leveraging those tutorials. They were an immense help for us getting started. They were very easy to follow along with. And in addition, I would suggest leveraging libraries as well. It allowed us to integrate media across different videos, but if we needed to change one thing in one video, we only had to update that media within the library. So if you don't know how to use the libraries within, there's also a tutorial for that, but it was integral for us to get started.